Okay, today we're going to put a tie rod from this hole to the back hole. We're going to put in 4 of them, along with the hex nuts. We'll start with a construction line. I'm going to just chase the circle around here until I find the center. I want to come out in red, and I want to go 12 inches. Now I want to do a circle. It wants to be green. Stretch out 0.25. I can double check it with my dimension tool. And there is my 1/2 inch diameter. That is just what I want. Okay, now we're going to push pull it. Swing it around a little bit, get a little better angle on it. I'm going to push pull 33 inches. And then I'll bring it back this way, just 1 inch, for an even 34 inches. Okay. Then we're going to bring another construction line. Let's do 12 inches again, because it's easy to remember. And we're going to go circle. But this time we want a 6-sided figure. So we type in 6, enter. And then we have to hit the left-hand arrow here to make it go green. Click it, go out, 0.435 inches. And we can erase the construction line. And we can push pull 1 inch. And then we can push pull this side 0.5. Now we want to put a hole through this, so we make it a hex nut, circle. But we have to change that 6 sides to 24 sides. And we're going to go out 0.25. And then we will push pull it 0.5. Now we'll zoom back out, orbit around so we get a clean shot at that. Let's go in and clean up that one little construction line. And then I'm going to select, and I'm going to make it a component. Pretty simple one here, just a hex nut. We could go 1/2 inch. And then OK. Then we can go back and select make a component. And that is a tie rod. That is also 1/2 inch. Okay. So if we will move go down and get our move tool. We selected the component, get our move tool, and we can just grab this corner and we move it over along that line 12 inches. Now it's right on the end of that rod, right where we want it. Now we will select both of them and we will move it again 12 inches from that corner and 12 inches. Now you can see it's perfectly aligned. This time we're going to move it from that corner, but we're going to hit Control key because that gives us a copy function. We're going to move it over 6 inches. Now you can see we've got two copies here. So we're going to do the same thing again. Hit Control key. That gives us our copy function. We're going to drag it down here and type in 6 inches. And then the very last one here. Hit Control key. And we'll move in 6 inches. Now we have our 4 tie rods. The final step is we have to move those 4 nuts. We have to copy them over to this side. So positioned like that. And I will attempt to select and I just got those 4 hex nuts. Now I'm going to move from this corner okay, and don't forget to do Control and that will be 32.5. We'll select them again and we will move. $32.5. Be sure to put your inches in. And there they are.